The rotator cuff is a network of small and large muscles that help move the upper arm and stabilize the ball of the shoulder in the socket. Because of the joint's complexity and extensive range of motion, tears in the muscles or tendons of the rotator cuff are common and can lead to significant pain and weakness in the shoulder. Often these tears don't heal on their own, and because the shoulder is something that we rely on to perform most of our daily tasks, rotator cuff tears can be very frustrating injuries to live with. Recent research has shown that as we age, the local stem cells that would normally heal a rotator cuff tear don't work as well as they should. In addition, poor blood supply can also make tissues more fragile. Because of these factors, roughly 40,000 rotator cuff surgeries are performed in the United States each year. In this procedure, the surgeon sews the tear either through an arthroscopic opening or through an open incision. These surgeries require significant downtime and painful rehabilitation to regain strength and range of motion. Sadly, some studies show that 6 in 10 rotator cuff surgery patients don't fully heal afterwards. In fact, a U.S. government-sponsored investigation into healthcare quality recently reviewed more than 150 published studies and concluded that there was no solid evidence that rotator cuff surgery benefited patients any more than no surgery at all. But there is good news for those suffering from a rotator cuff injury, and it doesn't involve surgery. Regenexx utilizes your own stem cells to help repair rotator cuff tears, using a minimally invasive and ultrasound-guided injection precisely into the torn areas of the muscle and tendon. The results from our treatment registry show that more than 70% of patients who received the groundbreaking Regenexx Rotator Cuff Procedure noted improvements of 70% or more. In our clinical experience, Regenexx patients benefit from a quicker recovery and can get back to doing the things they love faster than those who undergo traditional surgeries. So if you or someone you know has a rotator cuff injury, consider Regenexx, the non-surgical alternative that uses the healing power of your own stem cells to put you back on the path to an active and pain-free lifestyle.